with Ros Emely. I hope all of you guys are doing super good today and ready to make another easy family recipe. I'm going to be sharing how to make a delicious cold chicken pasta salad. It has mozzarella cheese, it has mixed greens, and it also has tomatoes, and it's so good, and a little bit of red onions and your favorite dressing. I used a store-bought Italian dressing because you know what? I was like, I need this quick and easy, but you can make your own at home or buy your favorite dressing. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys can make it as well, and let's start with the recipe. Okay guys, so let's start here. I have 4 cups of cooked pasta, and I'm using bowtie pasta. You can use penne pasta or macaroni pasta. I have here about 2 cups of cooked chicken breast. I just boiled it with water, no salt, no pepper or anything like that until it's fully cooked, and then I chopped it up into pieces. We are also going to need 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. I cut it into cubes. We're also going to need cherry tomatoes, red onions, and our mixed greens already pre-washed. And remember, all these ingredients is to your liking. And I'm also going to use a shortcut. I'm going to use this Italian dressing. You can make your own homemade dressing, or buy the one that you want and like. So in our bowl with our cooked pasta, I'm adding the red onions, the tomatoes. We're going to add the cooked chicken as well. And my pasta and chicken are at room temperature. They are not hot. So I just let it sit for a little bit until it cools down. Let's add our mozzarella cheese. Guys, this salad is so good and so simple and easy to make. Let's mix a little bit, and then we're ready to add our dressing. And of course, I'm using Italian dressing. You can use your favorite type of dressing. Now we're going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, just a pinch. Let's mix everything very well. And after you mix, just taste it to see if it needs more dressing or it needs more salt and pepper. Because after this, we are ready to add our mixed greens. Look how delicious. Let's mix. And guys, that is it. You have the perfect side dish, or it can be your main dish for lunch or for dinner. I actually ate this for dinner. It was so good. And then I served this to my kids and my husband as a side dish. That's it, guys. The perfect cold pasta salad with chicken, mozzarella, and mixed greens. Perfect for the spring, perfect for the summer. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time.